how to download Fortnite on iPhone. So this is very easy to do. All we have to do is load up Safari and Google search for Epic Games iOS. You want to click on the first website that pops up right here, and you should select install on iPhone or iPad. Now this is going to give you a message like this. I recorded this previous tutorial, so it's gonna look a little something like this. You just want to click on OK, and afterwards we will go to our phone's settings. So here in the settings, you will be able to see allow apps from Epic Games. You just want to click on that to confirm it, and I'll refer us back to real time. So once you have confirmed, then you will have the Epic Games store here on your phone, and you just want to click on Epic Games. Now it's gonna look a little something like this. You will have Fortnite at the top, and I'll just click on install, and again I will just click on install app. It's going to ask me for Face ID, and just like that, now Fortnite is installing on my phone. So I'll just give it some time and come back in a second here once it's finished downloading. Okay, so it just downloaded. If I click on open, and this is going to load Fortnite, and now I can play Fortnite on mobile. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.